Have you ever wondered about the invisible force that animates all living beings? What is this mysterious energy that flows through us, connecting us to the world around us? This fundamental question has captivated the minds of philosophers, healers, and scientists throughout history. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating concept of vital energy, exploring how ancient wisdom and modern science are converging to shed light on this essential aspect of our existence. Vital energy is the life force that permeates all living things. It is the animating principle that sustains our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. This energy is known by many names in different cultures, such as qi in Chinese medicine, prana in Ayurveda, and ki in Japanese traditions. Despite the varying terminology, there is a common thread that connects these ancient concepts: the understanding that there is an underlying energy that flows through all of creation, connecting us to the world around us and to the very source of life itself. For thousands of years, ancient civilizations have recognized the existence of vital energy and have developed sophisticated systems for understanding and working with it. In traditional Chinese medicine, the concept of qi is central to the understanding of health and disease. Practitioners of this ancient healing art use various techniques such as acupuncture and herbal medicine to balance and harmonize the flow of qi in the body. Similarly, in Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, prana is seen as the vital force that animates all living things. Ayurvedic practitioners work with prana through techniques such as pranayama, breathing exercises, yoga, and meditation to promote health and well-being. Indigenous cultures around the world have also long recognized the presence of vital energy, often associating it with the natural world and the elements. These traditions have developed unique practices and rituals for cultivating and honoring this life force, recognizing its importance in maintaining balance and harmony within individuals and communities. In recent years, modern science has begun to validate the existence of vital energy, providing new insights into this ancient concept. Research in fields such as biophysics, neuroscience, and quantum physics is revealing the intricate ways in which energy flows through living systems. One area of study that has garnered significant attention is the biofield, a term used to describe the subtle energy field that surrounds and interpenetrates the human body. Scientists are using advanced imaging technologies such as magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, and electroencephalography, EEG, to study the biofield and its role in health and disease. Other researchers are exploring the role of biophotons, the ultra-weak light emissions that are produced by living cells. These biophotons are thought to play a key role in cellular communication and regulation, and may be intimately connected to the flow of vital energy in the body. As modern science continues to unravel the mysteries of vital energy, it is becoming increasingly clear that the ancient wisdom of traditional cultures holds valuable insights into the nature of life and health. Both ancient traditions and modern science recognize that the human body is not just a physical entity, but also an intricate energy system. In traditional Chinese medicine, this energy system is mapped out through a network of meridians or energy pathways that traverse the body. Each meridian is associated with a particular organ system and is believed to carry qi, the vital energy that sustains life. Similarly, in Ayurveda, the human energy system is understood through the concept of the chakras, or energy centers, that are located along the spine. Each chakra is associated with specific physical, emotional, and spiritual qualities, and the balance and flow of prana through these centers is seen as essential for overall well-being. Modern science is also beginning to explore the human energy system, using tools such as biofield imaging and gas discharge visualization to study the subtle energy fields that surround and interpenetrate the body. These studies are revealing the complex interplay between our physical, emotional, and energetic states, and are providing new insights into the role of vital energy in health and disease. The flow and balance of vital energy within the body is intimately connected to our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. When this energy is flowing freely and harmoniously, we experience a sense of vitality, resilience, and overall health. However, when there are disruptions or blockages in the flow of vital energy, we may experience a range of health issues, from physical ailments to emotional imbalances. Ancient healing traditions have long recognized the importance of cultivating and balancing vital energy for optimal health. In traditional Chinese medicine, for example, practitioners use techniques such as acupuncture, herbal medicine, and qigong to promote the smooth flow of qi throughout the body. By removing blockages and restoring balance to the energy system, these practices can help to alleviate a wide range of health issues, from chronic pain to digestive disorders to mental health concerns. Similarly, in Ayurveda, practitioners work with the flow of prana through techniques such as yoga, meditation, and breathwork. By cultivating a strong and balanced flow of prana, these practices can help to promote physical vitality, mental clarity, and emotional resilience. Modern science is also beginning to validate the health benefits of practices that cultivate vital energy. Research has shown, for example, that mindfulness meditation can help to reduce stress, improve immune function, and promote overall well-being. Similarly, studies have demonstrated the effectiveness of acupuncture for a range of health conditions, from chronic pain to depression to infertility. As we continue to explore the connection between vital energy and health, it is becoming increasingly clear that cultivating a strong and balanced flow of this life force is essential for optimal well-being. So how can we cultivate and enhance the flow of vital energy in our own lives? Both ancient traditions and modern science offer a range of practices and techniques for working with this life force. One of the most powerful ways to cultivate vital energy is through the practice of meditation. By quieting the mind and bringing our attention to the present moment, we can tap into the subtle energy currents that flow through us, promoting a sense of inner peace, clarity, and vitality. Practices such as mindfulness meditation, loving-kindness meditation, and transcendental meditation have all been shown to have profound effects on our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Another key practice for cultivating vital energy is breath work. The breath is intimately connected to the flow of prana or qi in the body, and by working with the breath in specific ways, we can enhance the flow of this vital energy. Practices such as pranayama in yoga, qigong, breathing in Chinese medicine, and holotropic breathwork in modern psychology all work with the breath to promote healing, balance, and vitality. Movement practices such as yoga, tai chi, and qigong are also powerful tools for cultivating vital energy. These practices use a combination of physical postures, breathing techniques, and mindfulness to promote the flow of energy through the body, releasing blockages and restoring balance. Research has shown that regular practice of these techniques can have a profound impact on physical health, mental well-being, and overall quality of life. In addition to these practices, there are also a range of energy healing modalities that work directly with the subtle energy fields of the body. Techniques such as Reiki, acupuncture, and therapeutic touch all involve the practitioner working with the biofield to promote healing and balance. While the mechanisms of these practices are still not fully understood, research has shown that they can be effective for a range of health conditions, from pain management to emotional healing. As we explore the nature of vital energy, it becomes clear that consciousness plays a key role in how this life force flows through us. Our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs all have a profound impact on our energy system, shaping the way that vital energy moves through our being. This understanding is reflected in both ancient wisdom traditions and modern scientific research. In many spiritual traditions, the cultivation of positive states of mind, such as love, compassion, and gratitude, is seen as essential for promoting the flow of vital energy. By aligning our consciousness with these higher frequencies, we can open ourselves up to greater levels of vitality, healing, and awakening. Modern research in fields such as psychoneuroimmunology and epigenetics is revealing the powerful ways in which our mental and emotional states can influence our physical health and well-being. Studies have shown, for example, that chronic stress and negative emotions can disrupt the flow of vital energy in the body, leading to a range of health issues, from cardiovascular disease to autoimmune disorders. On the other hand, cultivating positive states of mind, such as mindfulness, compassion, and resilience, can have a profound impact on our energy system, promoting healing and balance at all levels of our being. By working with practices such as meditation, affirmations, and visualization, we can harness the power of our consciousness to shape the flow of vital energy in our lives. Just as our own energy system is intimately connected to our consciousness and mental states, it is also deeply interconnected with the world around us. The vital energy that flows through us is part of a larger web of life that includes all of nature, from the smallest microbes to the largest ecosystems. This understanding is reflected in many ancient wisdom traditions, which emphasize the importance of living in harmony with the natural world. In traditional Chinese medicine, for example, the flow of qi is seen as intimately connected to the cycles of nature, such as the changing of the seasons and the movements of the sun and moon. By aligning ourselves with these natural rhythms, we can promote greater balance and vitality in our own energy system. In many indigenous cultures, the natural world is seen as a source of vital energy and healing. Practices such as spending time in nature, working with plant medicines, and participating in sacred rituals are all ways of connecting with the larger web of life and drawing upon its regenerative power. Modern science is also beginning to validate the importance of our connection to the natural world for our health and well-being. Research has shown, for example, that spending time in nature can have a range of benefits, from reducing stress and improving mood to boosting immune function and promoting overall health. As we face the challenges of climate change and environmental degradation, it is becoming increasingly clear that the health of our own energy system is intimately connected to the health of the planet. By living in greater harmony with the natural world, we can not only promote our own well-being, but also contribute to the healing and regeneration of the Earth itself. As we have explored in this video, the concept of vital energy is a rich and multifaceted one, with deep roots in both ancient wisdom traditions and modern scientific understanding. From the qi of traditional Chinese medicine to the prana of Ayurveda to the biofield of modern biophysics, this life force is the animating principle that connects us to ourselves, to each other, and to the world around us. By cultivating a deeper understanding of vital energy and working with practices that enhance its flow, we can tap into a powerful source of healing, resilience, and transformation. Whether through meditation, breathwork, movement practices, or energy healing modalities, there are many ways to work with this subtle yet potent force in our lives. As we continue to face the challenges of our rapidly changing world, the cultivation of vital energy may be more important than ever. By tapping into this regenerative life force and aligning ourselves with the larger web of life, we can not only promote our own health and well-being, but also contribute to the healing and transformation of our planet as a whole. As we come to the end of this exploration, I invite you to take a moment to reflect on your own relationship with vital energy. How does this life force flow through you, and what practices might you incorporate into your life to cultivate greater balance, vitality, and connection? The journey of working with vital energy is a deeply personal one, and there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Trust your own inner wisdom and intuition as you explore the practices and pathways that resonate most deeply with you. As you continue on this path of discovery, know that you are part of a larger community of seekers and healers who are all working to cultivate greater vitality, compassion, and resilience in our world. Together, we have the power to create a brighter, more vibrant future for ourselves and for all of life on this beautiful planet we call home.